Hello, my name is Christian Garides. Now I'm going to explain about the three consonant sounds. We are going to for p, p, the park, p, p, p. This is bilabial. The two lips usually come together to articulate the short of sound. P, p. This is one. For example, park, park, park. You can see our lips. Park. The entity is T. These are everywhere. The blade or tip and blade of the tongue come in contact with the teeth right to articulate the sound. These are everywhere. Our tongue should be in the up. In contact in tongue. Next sound is coat. This is velar and kick. Our tongue this is into contact with velar part. Kick. Coat. In this example, we can interpret the t for part in this example. The back of the tongue comes in contact with the soft plate to produce a sound. Cat, coat. In oration, in sentence, we can see this example. We went to the park yesterday. We went to the park yesterday. Example for C is my town is very beautiful. See, in this step, we have two examples in this sentence. I can't not find my coat. Coat. We can interpret that is the same pronunciation. Okay, so but this element we haven't the similar sound park, cup, and up. It is same park, cup, K or letter C, and is used for different cup and cake. Voiceless is different sound. On top is t. In ja with H, the sound is thug, is voiced and top voiceless, and cup voiceless, part and voiceless. Why? Because this method is pa, but this for is voiceless, and where this sound is this method should voice it. The suprategmental and segmental tone is the small difference that have any words on any sounds. For example, B free V V. Okay, right. B and V is a small difference that we can change our word. Okay, thank you so much.